flanking us.
They're everywhere. I can't hold them off. What are we gonna do?
Okay then, calling in airstrike.
Hang tight. One six 49er. This is Charlie, the both of us, and we need an airstrike at 11-7-19er 56 to 23 11. Thank you so much. How's your mom doing? Okay, thank you. Sorry. I got him.
Okay then, cover me.
Flank him. I'll cover you. Kalen, son, are you okay?
Of course I'm not okay. I am terribly camouflaged. I am shooting enemies with a Nerf gun, and you are calling for air support with a cup.
Yeah, sorry about the whole cup thing. Thing is our funding's been cut to pay for a wall on the Mexican border.
I thought we were going to make fart joke videos, you asshole.
Well, as for the fart jokes, let me see if I can help you out with that.
Jesus fucking Christ!
There you go.
Okay, now I'm dead, you asshole.